In this video, I want to explain why brushing your hair can actually stop it from growing. A lot of people think doing more makes hair grow faster. But today, we're going to talk about why calm care works better and what your scalp has to do with it. I'll explain what stress feels like to the scalp, why rushing backfires, and how calm creates better conditions for growth. Hair grows from follicles. Follicles live in the scalp. So if the scalp is stressed, hair growth is affected. Let's start with something important. Your scalp is not just skin. Your scalp is living tissue. It has blood flow, it has nerves, and it holds your hair follicles. Your body is always making decisions. When the body feels safe, it allows growth. When it feels stressed, it focuses on protection. Hair growth is not urgent to the body. Safety always comes first. The scalp feels stress physically. Tight styles, pulling, burning, constant tension. To the scalp, all of that feels the same. Pressure tells the body this area isn't safe. Most people rush because they're worried. They worry their hair isn't growing, so they touch it more, style it more, fix it more. But rushing adds pressure, and pressure increases resistance. Resistance is the body protecting itself. Calm is not about how your hair looks. Calm is about how your scalp feels. No tightness, no burning, no constant irritation. When the scalp feels calm, blood flows better, and the follicles can do their job. When the scalp feels safe, it cooperates. When it feels rushed, it resists. Resistance can look like dryness, breakage, slow growth. That doesn't mean failure. It means protection. Your scalp is always communicating. Tightness is information. Burning is information. Relief is information. Comfort tells you when care is working. Calm care does not work instantly because the scalp needs time to trust. If the scalp has experienced years of tension, it won't relax overnight. Consistency teaches safety. Safety allows growth. Nothing is wrong with your pace. Hair grows slowly on purpose. Slow growth protects the body. Fast change is not natural for hair. We don't force growth here. We create conditions for it. Calm supports biology.